So about a year ago, we were looking into what more can we offer for the home as far as energy efficiency and home comfort. And through our research, we found that attic insulation and was a offering that we can add to our, our wheelhouse, and it falls into home energy comfort. And we're already in the attic, so through conversations and talk, we partnered up with Owens Cornering, which is a leading brand and the Pink Panther for attic insulation. And yeah, so we decided to add it as a service, and to just do more for the home and more for our homeowners.
In the beginning of the summer, when it started to get real hot, I noticed that my air conditioner wasn't keeping up in the afternoon. I was starting to lose a couple of degrees of temperature, and had them come out, check the AC system, and everything was working great. And that's when they brought to my attention that the insulation value in the attic was poor.
So this morning we're out here, we're blowing in attic insulation in this house to bring it up to code. He's been complaining about a lot of hot spots, a lot of cold spots, so we looked in his attic and found that his attic insulation was severely under insulated. So we're here this morning to get it up to code and solve a lot of problems for him.
The guy showed up promptly on time, set down drop cloths, everything worked well, and they were done by noon. Excellent work.
So if you're interested in wanting to know more about attic insulation, and if your attic has the proper amount of insulation, you can go on our website and schedule an online appointment, or you can always call our main line at 770-919-9509, and we'll schedule one of our service professionals or our comfort advisors to come out, and we'll measure your attic insulation and provide you with some options to bring it up to code, and hopefully resolve a lot of your home comfort problems.